So kasama namin ngayon ang CEO ng MMG na si Sir Jason Sia.
Okay guys, support tayo kay brother. Ay no, turo mo yan. Bernardo Escorial III. Yan, supportahan natin yung lahat ng channel, no? YouTube, lahat. Guys, supportahan natin yung B3 Vlogs saka B3 Stocks. Okay guys, maraming salamat bro. Okay. Ay, promote ko na rin yung Kickstars. Follow nyo yung Kickstars natin.
Kickstars, follow nyo.
Follow nyo guys.
Papunta na kami ngayon sa gym. Kasi ngayon, napadala mo?
Makagamitan sa gera. Para at least prepared tayo guys.
Buti naman. Kasi dala ko tubig lang eh. Ay nga pala, shoutout po kay Tito Jaime Sia, Tito Jason Sia, and as well to Attorney Sia. At kami po ay papasok sa MMG. Even though malayo pa kami. Anong sabihin ng MMG?
MMG? Multi-millionaire gang.
Galing mo ah. Big crew.
Big crew tayo.
Well, ano tayo ngayon? Zero sugar, zero calories tayo ngayon.
Magkano yung membership dito pre?
1,000.
Oh, 1,000?
Alam mo yun sa ano?
Oh, what's up?
Yun!
Ayusin mo. Na-measure mo kung gano'ng kabigat yan.
Ensayo to, seryoso to, ayaw mag-vlog. Ayaw mag-vlog itong batang ko.
Pristine sound. Victory's taste is in his grasp. In each stack he makes that final clasp. Practice fingers swift and free. A champion in the making, you'll see. Years of effort holding each move. Bernardo's here with something to prove. Cup by cup in a rhythmic sway. Hands move fast in a smooth ballet.
Macho.
Chasing dreams, he creates his fate.
Oh, bata. Kaya pala dito kagaling ron eh. Gumagana ba?
Chasing dreams, he creates his fate.
Wow! Wow! Jogging right now. So 5 pesos per 5 minutes. So I took 20 pesos for 20 minutes. Yeah, that's good. So, hello guys.
Sa Papa Community.
Sa Pablo Community, so katatapos lang mag-gym. Kasama namin ngayon ang CEO ng MMG na si Sir Jason Sia.
Okay guys, support tayo kay brother. Ay no, turo mo yan. Bernardo Escorial III. Yan, supportahan natin yung lahat ng channel, no? YouTube, lahat. Guys, supportahan natin yung B3 Vlogs saka B3 Stocks. Okay guys, maraming salamat bro. Okay. Ay, promote ko na rin yung Kickstars. Follow nyo yung Kickstars natin.
Kickstars, follow nyo.
Follow nyo guys. Thank you.
Salamat MMG. Kailan tayo babalik?
Gusto mo, bukas na ulit.
Bukas na ulit. Parang bahay natin itong MMG eh.
So, B3 Community, Aba Community, maraming salamat sa panonood itong short vlog natin. You know, sinocase lang namin yung experience dito sa MMG. And what a opportunity now, we got to meet the CEO in the right time. So, I guess that would be all. I'm your man, Aaron Espinosa, and your main man,
Bernardo Escorial.
And that would be all. Peace. Itanong mo sa akin kung sino aking mahal.
Pagod na ako, di ako makahinga sa kakalakad. Puro kanta ng kanta oh.
Itanong mo sa akin, sagot di magtatagal. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal.